Hello beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Sneakers are no longer just for comfort, but also as an accessory that adds power to your style. 2025 will be the year of big changes in the sneaker world. This year, both retro models with nostalgic touches and ultra-modern sneakers blended with technology are trending. So which sneaker models will be trending in 2025 and how can you combine them stylishly? Retro running shoes, nostalgic but timeless. Retro sneakers are inspired by the 80s and 90s, creating both a sporty and classic vibe. They create different designs with nostalgic details alongside modern sneakers. If you love vintage style, these sneakers are just the right size. Dark blue mom jeans plus oversized white shirt plus beige retro sneakers plus small shoulder bag. This combination is ideal for those who want classic and effortless elegance. When a white shirt is always a timeless choice, retro sneakers come to the fore thanks to mom jeans. A small shoulder bag completes the look. White jogger pants plus short sweatshirt in pastel shades plus colorful retro sneakers plus sports bag. If you want to create a youthful and energetic style, colorful retro sneakers paired with pastel colors is the perfect option. While procrastination is in the foreground thanks to jogger pants, a modern vibe is captured with a short sweatshirt. The best outfit for retro sneakers consists of balanced and comfortable pieces. Avoid overly patterned clothes and let your sneakers take center stage. Slightly roll up the hems of jeans to make your sneakers stand out. Chunky sneakers. Chunky sneakers are an indispensable piece for those who want to create a bold and assertive style. They offer a modern look with their thick soles and flashy designs. Black leather leggings plus crop top plus oversized blazer plus white chunky sneakers plus small stylish bag. This outfit is a great option for those who want to show an urban and strong stance. The leather leggings make the legs look longer, while the crop top adds a feminine touch to the combination. The oversized blazer complements these chunky sneakers in a modern and balanced way. Loose fit pants plus hooded sweatshirt plus colorful chunky sneakers plus backpack. If you want a more casual and sporty look, you can complement chunky sneakers with loose-fitting pants and a sweatshirt. However, make sure that the pants are not too loose so that your sneakers do not look too big. If you are going to wear chunky sneakers, you should create balance in your outfit. Since the bottom part is voluminous, make sure that the upper pieces are narrower cut. Thick-soled sneakers can be a great choice for short women as they make their legs look longer. Minimalist white sneaker. White sneakers are a timeless and sophisticated piece that fits every style. In 2025, minimalist designs are becoming even more popular and white sneakers will fit into every outfit. Beige cigarette pants plus white oversized shirt plus minimalist white sneakers plus elegant bag. If you are looking for a smart casual look, this outfit is for you. White sneakers and cigarette pants combine elegance and comfort together. Straight cut jeans plus silk blouse plus white sneakers plus trench coat. This outfit is perfect for everyday elegance. The trench coat provides a sophisticated look, while the white sneakers add comfort. Keeping white sneakers clean is the most important rule to complete your stylish look. To create a minimalist style, opt for designs without too many details. If your outfit has a lot of colors, you can balance it with white sneakers. High-ankle sneaker. Inspired by basketball shoes, these sneakers offer a comfortable yet trendy look. Tight jeans plus crop sweater plus high-top sneakers plus chain bag. Narrow leg pants and high-top sneakers are a perfect match. To draw attention to your ankle, you can slightly roll up the cuffs. Short skirt plus oversized sweatshirt plus white high-top sneakers plus mini backpack. This combination is perfect for creating a young and dynamic style. Slip-on sneaker. Slip-on sneakers are the epitome of practical, effortless, and modern style. Unlike classic lace-up sneakers, these models offer both a minimalist and sophisticated look. Straight-cut jeans plus white basic t-shirt plus beige slip-on sneakers plus trench coat. This outfit is perfect for weekdays or weekends. The simplicity of the slip-on sneaker goes perfectly with the sophistication of the trench coat. Midi satin skirt plus crop top plus black slip-on sneakers plus elegant handbag. Here we see how sneakers can be used with a feminine touch. The satin skirt adds a romantic and modern vibe, while the slip-on sneakers are comfortable. Slip-on sneakers are best paired with ankle-length trousers for a stylish look without cutting into the leg length. Choose a monochrome model so they can easily match any outfit. Mesh and technological sneaker. These sneakers are among the modern pieces that move out of the gym and into everyday life. They offer ultra comfort with their lightweight, breathable, and dynamic design. Biker shorts plus sports bra plus oversized sports jacket plus colorful mesh sneakers. This is the epitome of athleisure style. It creates a look that is both comfortable and stylish. The combination of biker shorts and sports bra creates a feminine vibe with sport chic, while the oversized sports jacket makes the outfit cooler. Jogger pants plus white crop top plus gray mesh sneakers plus mini fanny pack. From the gym to brunch, from shopping to traveling, this outfit is stylish and comfortable for any occasion. You can make the outfit more modern by adding a pastel-colored mini fanny pack. Platform sneaker. Platform sneakers are a modern version of classic sneakers. Thanks to their thick soles, they make legs look longer and proportions more balanced. They are a great choice, especially for short women, because with a few centimeters of height, they provide both a stylish and comfortable look. However, these sneakers make a feminine and powerful statement, combining sporty style with elegance. Mini dress plus white platform sneakers plus chic shoulder bag plus elegant hoop earrings. This outfit is a combination of comfort and elegance. Mini dresses create a stylish and cool vibe when complemented with platform sneakers. The neutral shade of the white sneaker softens the overall outfit and offers a balanced look. When complemented with gold or silver hoop earrings, you get a modern and feminine vibe. Wide leg pants plus crop top plus platform sneakers and pastel tones plus small crossbody bag. This combination adds both comfort and sophistication to everyday street style. The wide leg pants balance the height of the platform sneakers, making your legs look longer. Pastel tones add a soft touch to the sneakers, while the crop top makes the outfit modern and energetic. White skinny jeans plus oversized blazer plus nude platform sneakers plus leather tote bag. The best example of how you can create urban chic with platform sneakers. Oversized blazer and skinny jeans create a feminine and sophisticated vibe, while platform sneakers create a casual and relaxed look. A sneaker in nude tones provides the color balance of the outfit, while a large leather tote bag is a sophisticated finishing touch. Your sneaker choice defines your style. When combining your sneakers, think not only about the model, but also about the colors and details that suit your style. Which sneaker model do you like the most? Which sneaker combination do you prefer the most in daily life? Share with me in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video to support the channel. Subscribe for more sneaker and fashion trends. Turn on notifications to never miss new uploads. Until next time, make the most of your sneakers and always be stylish. Style changes, but your style is timeless. See you in the next video.